It's super insane, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it totally for free. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game Zoo 2 Animal Park. So go to hexmods.com, type in Zoo 2, and as you can see guys, here is the game. This is the modded version with unlimited diamonds. So to download it, we're going to press the download button, and before it downloads, there's going to be one more step, and that is the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see guys, it's going to load up and it says missing files. So what we need to do is download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and this will install the Zoo 2 Animal Park hack. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. And then we got Family Island, which has reached level 11. So just make sure you guys do 2 of them. I'll see you later. But that is how to get the Zoo 2 Animal Park modded version for your device, working on iPhone and Android guys. So it's super cool. So as you can see, we got all the apps right here, and they can vary depending on where you live. So if you live in the United States, it's going to be certain apps. If you live in Europe, there's going to be different apps. So just make sure you guys try it out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but that's how I get the Zoo 2 Animal Park modded version for your device. So it's super cool, actually works guys. So definitely go ahead and give this one a try. Just make sure that you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, because some people download the apps and they don't follow instructions. That's bad. So you do have to actually read what the app says to do, or this is not going to work. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel guys, because this is super cool and it totally works guys. So definitely try it out. But yeah, I mean, no problems at all. Works for me.